Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Respected, honorable, judges, dear sir and ma'am, my fellow friends and my dear senior sisters and brothers. My name is Nijira Mushahary from Management Department, MBA first semester. Here I am going to recite a English poem. The poem name is A Madrigal, composed by William Shakespeare. Now I am going to recite the poem. A madrigal, crying age and youth cannot live together. Youth is full of pleasance, age is full of care. Youth like summer morn, age like winter weather. Youth like summer break, age like winter bear. Youth is full of sports, age's breed is sore. Youth is nimble, age is lame. Youth is hot and bold, age is weak and cold. Youth is wild and age is tame, age I do adore thee. Youth I do adore thee, oh my love is young, age I do defy thee. Oh sweet spare high thee, for meeting though stays too long. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Sister Nijira Mushahary. Now please dance.